Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and I've had a few questions about this in the past, and I had forgotten to do a video about it. But a lot of you have been asking me what this is. So you see it here on my machine. I've got today a update called Insyde Software Firmware, version 5.23.1.27. What's that exactly? If you have a modern desktop or a modern laptop, you have also, because in the past, if you remember, there was something called BIOS, the basic input output system. And the BIOS, you needed most of the time to update it kind of manually, and it was kind of risky and weird, and most people didn't because it just was so weird. Modern PCs have UEFI, which is Unified Extensible Firmware Interface. Most of them are run by a company or a system called Insyde. Insyde is the leading manufacturer of all the firmwares of all the different machines. I don't like that one company has such a big market, but that's the way things are done. So that is simply a UEFI update to your machine. So that means it fixes all sorts of things from bugs to security problems to compatibility issues with the operating system. So it's usually now comes through a Windows update. Back it's kind of easier to install than when back then in the BIOS sphere we had some weird way of updating the BIOS chips and so on. So that's pretty much what it is, and it is simply a firmware upgrade to your internal machine's UEFI firmware. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.